So hello everyone, myself Karthikeya and today's session we will discuss class 8 social science history part. So this is our chapter number 6, education and British rule. So in this particular video we will discuss only exercise of this chapter. So let's start. Question number first, take the correct option. So first one, Wood's dispatch was prepared in option number first 1862, option number second 1854 and option number third 1762. So answer for this question option number second 1854. Next question, question number B. The Asiatic Society of India was founded by option number first James Prices, option number second Warren Hastings and option number third William Jones. So answer for this question option number third William Jones. Next question, question number C. Pathshala were option number first elementary school for Hindus, option number second elementary school for Muslims and option number third higher education centers for Hindus. So answer for this question option number first elementary school for Hindus. Next question, question number D. Who founded the Brahmo Samaj? Option number first Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, option number second Annie Besant and option number third Raja Ram Mohan Roy. So answer for this question option number third Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Next question, question number E. Who founded Banaras Hindu University? Option number first Madan Mohan Malviya, option number second Swami Vivekanand and option number third Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. So answer for this question option number first Madan Mohan Malviya. So question number first, all answers are present here, so you can match from here. So next question, question number 2, fill in the blanks. So first one, dash establish Vishwa Bharati University at Shantiniketan. So answer Rabindranath Tagore. Next question, question B, the medium of teaching in Madarsa was. So which type of medium? Persian and Arabic. Next question, question C, traditional institutions of elementary education in India were dash and dash. So answer Pathshala and Maktab. Next question, question number D, Lord Macaulay wanted Indians to be imparted education in. So answer English. Next question, question number E, the Orientalists insisted on teaching through dash language. So answer Sanskrit, Persian, Arabic. So question number second, all answers are present here, so you can match from here. So next question, question number third, state whether the following statements are true or false. So question number first, Lord Macaulay sent a dispatch in 1854. So this one is true or false? So this one is true. Next question, question number B, the Hindu college was founded by Lord Cornwallis. Is this true or false? So this one is false. Next question, question number C, before the arrival of British, there were no schools in India. Is this true or false? So this one is also false. Next question, question number D, Gandhiji founded Vishwa Bharati University at Shantiniketan. Is this true or false? So this one is false. So question number third, all answers are present here, so you can match from here. So next question, question number 4, answer the following questions in 1 or 2 words. So first one, who were the main Orientalists? So answer Sir William Jones, Charles Wilkins and James Mill. Next question, question B, who was the founder of Ramakrishna Mission? So answer Swami Vivekanand. Next question, question C, who was the founder of Arya Samaj? So answer Dayanand Saraswati. So next question, question number D, which were the traditional center of the learning of Hindu and Muslims? So answer Pathshala and Gurukuls were set up for Hindu and Maktab and Madarsa were set up for Muslim. Next question, question number E, which educational order of 1854 helped the mass of education in India? So answer Wood's dispatch of 1854 helped the mass of education in India. So next question, question number 5, answer the following questions in brief. So this one is So question number first, what were the views of the Orientalists? So answer, Orientalists deeply respect the local culture of India. We supported local languages
Short type
as the
question.
medium of the instructions for the local subjects. They believe that to govern Indians to understand the local cultures and languages of the India. Next question, question number B. Why did the Christian missionaries want to spread modern education? So answer, the Indian thinkers and the Christian missionaries were in favor of modern education for the Indians, as the Indian thinkers felt that it profited the Indians, while the Christian missionaries felt that modern education would destroy the faith of the people in their own religions and lead them to adopt Christianity. So next question, question number C. Who were Angelicists? So answer, the group of people who favored the Western scientific knowledge in India came to be known as the Angelicists. On the other hand, the group of people who favored the traditional Oriental learning is known as Orientalist. Next question, question number D. What were Lord Macaulay's reasons for the need to teach English language to the Indians? So answer, Macaulay stressed on teaching of English language to Indians because he felt that knowledge of English would allow Indians to read some of the finest literature of the world that produced. It would make them aware of the development in Western science and philosophy. So next question, question number E. What was the purpose of the arrival of Sir William Jones in Calcutta? Describe the work done by him. So answer, Jones set up Asiatic Society in Bengal and start a journal called Asiatic Researchers. He shared a deep respect for the Indian culture and think that a new study of ancient Indian text could form the basic further of India. Jones discovered the ancient Indian heritage, mastered languages and Persian works to English. He had set up the Asiatic Society of Bengal and started a journal called Asiatic Researchers. So next question, question number 6. Answer the following questions in detail. So this one is long type question. So question number A. Describe the work by the Christian missionaries to educate the Indians. So answer, ideally Christian missionaries hope to make school the spirituals and religious center. Through education they hoped to eradicate the practices and behavior of native like idol worship, polytheism, bigotry, polygamy, which were considered by them too much uncivilized. So next question, question number B. What was the differences of opinion between Mahatma Gandhi and Rabindranath Tagore regarding
And
Western
many
civilization?
superstition.
So answer, Gandhiji was highly critical of Western civilization and its worship machines and technology. Tagore wanted to combine elements of modern Western civilization with what he saw as the best within Indian tradition. He emphasized the need to teach science and technology at Santiniketan along with art, music and dance. So next question, question number C. What was Wood's dispatch? State its main recommendations. So answer, in 1854 he sent a dispatch to Lord Dalhousie, then Governor General of India. Wood's dispatch suggested that primary schools must adopt vernacular languages. Through the dispatch, he also suggested that high school use Anglo-vernacular medium and that English should be the medium for college level education. So next question, question number D. Discuss the significance of Aligarh Muslim University in the context of the national movement of India. So answer, in Aligarh, modern education began due to the efforts of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, 1817 to 1898. He wanted to remove the backwardness of Muslims. His great achievement was the setting up of the Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College in Aligarh, which imparted education in science, humanities, and technical subjects. The medium of teaching in this college was English. This college is now called the Aligarh Muslim University. So next question number E. Write a note on the growth of science in modern India. So answer: modern India has had a strong focus on science and technology, realizing that it is a key element of economic growth. India is among the topmost countries in the world in the field of scientific research, positioned as one of the top 5 nations in the field of space exploration. So our chapter is completed, so we will meet in next session.